Good afternoon, YouTube. So today we're coming to you from upstate New York, Seeds and Dreams Homestead. And today we're going to be working on what we used to have the sheep and the goats in. It needs a floor so that we can have a dry place to store our firewood. So that's what I'm doing today. As part of what I'm doing today, I picked up some 4x4 pressure treated. I'm going to lay them on the floor. I also have a pile of plywood down back there that we got for free over the summer. And yeah, so we're going to put a floor in here. It doesn't have to be anything solid, anything that's going to hold any weight or anything like that. It's just got to be sturdy enough, and like I said, to keep the wood up off the ground and keep it dry. Here's everybody. Dubby, Sprocket, Buttons, and there's Mina behind the tree. But before I do that, I have to clear the lawn here a little bit. Finally, I got to get this stuff put away so I can back the truck up in here. Because we also have that wood across the street that we have to get over here and get it split. And that'll put a start into filling this woodshed. But for now, let me set the camera down so I can move things around. And we'll get to work here. I'll talk to you in a few. First thing we're going to do is hand Maria the camera. She can be the cameraman. Say hi, Maria.
Hi, Maria. See how it works? How to irritate your husband in 3.5 seconds. Put the camera
How to what?
Nothing, dear.
Oh, look. Look what I found. Did I find it? Well, maybe not. I bet you I will find a brick in here before I'm done.
You're probably going to find 25 bricks in here before you're done.
What are you doing? You can't. You don't set the camera down like that.
Now, you're going to leave that in the video right there, that tone and everything, right?
Oh, I'm gonna show people exactly what I deal with on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah, do that. Let's see who wins. I'm going to guarantee it'll be Boo Frank. Guaranteed.
Well, that was easier than I thought.
In the words of Dubby and Sprocket.
So we got the first layer of plywood down. The side is bowed out, but I think if we go on the outside here, get that fence off the side of it, I can push that in, put a stake in the ground, and that'll hold the side in. But we're going to do one more layer on top of this, only because it's free plywood. I mean, yes, we did work for it. Maria worked very hard for it.
Very hard for it, yes.
But we worked very hard for it. But still, it's better than it rotting away in a pile down there. So now I'm just going to take a couple pieces and go the opposite way over top of this. And we have one piece here cut, but I'm hoping this next piece will just go right in over top of it sideways. We'll see. Good evening, people. Hey, here comes Maria with an abundance of eggs. Yay! Say hi, Maria.
Hi, Maria.
Anyway, so here we go. We got our woodshed floor. So here we go. We've got our woodshed floor in, double layered, pretty solid. And now, turn the camera on here. And now it's time to start filling it with wood. I would imagine this woodshed here will probably hold about 3 cord. Maybe if we stacked it full to the top, maybe 4. This woodshed is going to be a great addition to what we have here, and it's going to make things a lot easier. We'll be able to season our wood properly. We'll come up. We'll be able to back the tractor in here with one of the IBC crates, fill it up, and just back that right into the garage. Let it stay in there, and be able to have that wood inside. A lot easier than a wheelbarrow and load after load back and forth, or even loading the front of the tractor up back and forth. So this is where we're going to call it a day. We thank you for watching. If you haven't, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and leave a comment. We really do appreciate it. But until next time, I hope you have a good evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.